Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix low microphone volume on Windows 11. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. The first thing you need to do is you have to go to the search bar and you have to search for settings option. So first of all you need to go to the settings option. So at the left portion you can see there are many options here. You can see at the left portion. So basically you have to go to the system option first. Now you can see sound. Just go to the sound option. And still there are so many options. So you can see there is the volume for input, so make sure the volumes are high. That means you can see that I have selected 100% for the volume. Now you can see advanced button, so tap on more sound settings. Okay, now you can see your playback input. So this is my headphone right now I'm using for the recording. So you have to go to the you have to just double tap on it or double click, then go to the advanced level and make sure your exclusive mode is selected. Both the options are, and make sure the channels are 2 channel 24 with 48000 Hz. So you can just test it for the demonstration, or you can just register defaults if it is enabled. So you can do it from here, and make sure you update your Windows from the Windows Update. So you have to select all the things, so make sure there is no problem. And the last thing you can do is you can go to your app settings to ask for the help. So basically if you are doing all the things, that means your Windows doesn't have any problem. The problem is in that particular application. You can go to the settings of that particular application, you can ask for any help. So this is the basic things, and if you do this, hopefully there will be no problem. Still, if you're facing problem, you can just comment down below. I will try to find any another way if there is available. And if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.